My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and I'm going to walk you through a 2014 Sea Ray 310 Sundancer. Boat has the white hull with the black boot stripe. Has a nice isinglass enclosure with camper canvas around the cockpit. What's nice is a lot of these have the built-in screens in each panel. You have the extended swim platform option off of the back of the boat. It's a tan upholstery, and then nice L-shaped seating area with the teak table. Sink on the starboard side, some additional storage underneath. And the helm seat is, you can flip it to face forward or backward how it's facing now. Garmin electronics at the helm. And then a joystick with the Axios system. The boat is equipped with twin 350 mags. You have a center walkthrough going up to the bow. Walk down into the cabin. The forward berth, which converts for some additional seating around a table. Here's your AC/DC panel on the starboard side. Storage compartments. Next to that, the boat does have AC. Galley with a cooktop, microwave, sink, and then additional storage down below. Aft there's space for another berth to sleep to. And then the wet head on the starboard side. Nice additional storage. Locker on this side too. This boat is currently listed with our store out of Marblehead, Ohio. If you'd like to schedule a showing, again, my name is Eric, but any of your local SkipperBud's representatives will be able to assist.